Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Nick Jordan, their protagonist, and in this video we will be taking a look at Thumbmachine. Thumbmachine allows you to create 16:9 video thumbnails. You're using AI to generate the text, and you can use it to generate the images as well. These thumbnails that you're seeing are thumbnails that I've used for this channel that were created by Thumbmachine, and we're going to go through creating one together. So when you log into the dashboard, this is what you see. They do have a bunch of other tools besides just the thumbnail creation. We won't be using any of these. We're just going to jump right into the studio right here. And you can see that pops open a new window. And this is something that I tried earlier just to get ready for this video, but I'm going to start over from scratch. So you have different options here. You have the I have assets options if you have your own images, and this one lets you actually create an image from the AI. Since I already use tools like Leonardo AI and CArt AI, I usually use those rather than the image generator here. They do have some more options down here. They have it currently on express mode, and that lets you basically skip some stuff like choosing background styles and image colors and stuff like that. I'm going to turn that off so you can see the full process. So we're going to click on I have assets. Then they ask you the types of layers you want. You can do 3 layers. This is where you will have a text layer, you'll have a hero image, and then you'll have a background. If you have 3 layers, then what you can do is you can upload your image and use their background remover to actually remove the background from the image, and then you can put in a new background. But I'm going to keep my background, and so I'm going to use the 2-layer option. Then they ask how you want to basically set up your layers. You can use a stock photo search if you like, or you can just upload one, and then you would use the AI to choose the actual text. So I'm going to upload an image. And then once you upload the image, you do have the crop feature pop up. You have a bunch of options down here. I'm just going to zoom out because I want to use the full image. And I have a little bit of space over here. This is where I'm going to add the text. So I'll click on crop and use. And then once you've done that, you can actually load up a template from some of the previous stuff that you've done. I am just going to go with new project, but if you have created something that you like and you want to reload something in that same style, you can choose it as a template, but we're going to use new project. And then this is where you actually choose colors. This is going to be the colors of the text. So I'm going to choose 3 colors here. And then actually let me choose a different one. I'll go with this one. And then click on select. And now you can select a background style. So this is the background default. And then you can change the way the background looks if you like. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm not going to put any filters on. Just click on original. And then you can add some more stuff here if you like, but I'm going to keep the original. Click on select. And this is where you actually put in the text for the thumbnail. So they have options where you can enter in your own title. You can put in 4 lines, or you can actually use the AI to generate a title for you. I actually already decided on what I'm going to use, so I'm going to type that in and then come back to the video. Alright, so the text that I typed in is easy AI thumbnails, and then I'm going to just click on use text. Are you sure? Yes. Click on enter, and then it jumps into the next step. And this is where it pops up the different styles of the text, and then you can do all kinds of different things from here. So first off, if you come down here, click on settings. This is where you can change the text. They have different types of settings: funny, professional, news, and glitter. I will add the glitter effect. Then you have the text color, both of these are text color. Then you have the text alignment here in the middle. I want it to be set up with the middle alignment. Then you can decrease or increase the text size. You can switch between a hero and text, which one is on top. Since we just used 2 layers rather than 3, this option doesn't really apply to us. And then finally, you can add a hairline outline to the text, which is what I will do. I'm gonna add a text shadow as well. You can use these sliders to decide the intensity of both of those. And then I'm gonna click on generate. So here is a new set of options. So now what you can do is you can use these boxes over here. You have click on new styles. This will completely generate a new set of options. Or you can create broad options. So if you see something you like, you click on this and it will keep that same style. Or you can choose to keep whatever you like. You can keep the fonts, keep the colors, keep the outline, keep the shadow. Or you can do a varied placement, which is to just change the placement of the text. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to keep any of these. So I'm gonna actually do like this one, but I'm gonna go with create new styles and click on generate. And here is the new set of styles. So these first 2 actually look really good. One of the best things about this is just the type of text that it uses. So if I like this and I decided to go with this one, I would just move the text over. As you can see, some new options come up. You can move the text size, you can move the background size, and you can actually angle the text if you like. But this text is a little bit bland, so I'd go with this one instead. I could move that over to where I want to make the text a little bit bigger. Oh, I accidentally moved the background. So move the text a little bit bigger. Easy AI thumbnails. I can angle it if I want, but I'm not going to. And then you can see once I've changed the actual text, this is automatically clicked. And so it's going to update the design. And then if I click on generate, you can see it gives me that new design in the options. And so if I like this as my final design, all I need to do is just click on render final image, and that's going to cost me 10 tokens, and I click on generate. And here is my final results. So easy AI thumbnails, really nice looking text, beautiful image in the background, and I just click on the image and it will download to my computer. So that is it for Thumbmachine. It is very easy to use. They have a ton of different text styles. It is really good. Now let's jump into, get out of there. So I do want to show you guys the pricing so you can see how much it costs. Just keep in mind that you can actually mess around with it for free. You don't actually pay for anything until you generate a final image. That's when it takes the 10 tokens. But you can see you have a $10 for 5 thumbnails, $13 for 10 thumbnails, $15 for 15 thumbnails, and then $30 for 50 thumbnails. So it's not bad. If you use like one of these 2, then you're paying $1 or less for each thumbnail. I only upload videos on this channel, usually like maybe 4 or 5 a month. So this works out well for me. However, if you want to use the AI image generator, I have not used it, so I don't know how good it is, because I use other tools for my actual images. But if I'm not really sure what kind of text I want to use for an image, then I'll drop my image in here and create some text for it. So that is pretty much it for Thumb Studio. If you have any questions about it, like how to create certain things, any kind of tips on advanced tools and stuff like that, just let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
Baby, you